If you're sharing a presentation as a handout or working with a long slide deck, a table of contents is one of the best ways to help your audience stay on track. Think of it like this. When you send your slides to someone after a meeting or upload them for learning, you want them to find what they are looking for without scrolling endlessly. Let's create one step by step. Add a new slide near the top of your presentation. Title it Table of Contents. Type out the main sections or topics of your slide deck. For example, introduction, market insights, features, roadmap, Q&A, and so. Now link each of these to relevant slide. Highlight the text like features, press Command K if you are on Mac or Control K if you are on Windows. In the pop-up, choose slides in this presentation. Then select the slide where the topic begins. Repeat for each item and your clickable table of contents is ready. A small tip. You can also add a small back to TOC button on each major section so readers can jump back and explore other parts easily. Whether you're presenting live or sharing slides afterward, a table of contents make your deck more user-friendly and professional. Try adding one next time and make your slides a little smarter. Before you go, if you ever need to turn your ideas into beautiful customized presentations fast, try Slides AI, a Google Slides plugin. It helps you create stunning, tailored presentations in seconds. From scripts to titles, live keynotes to handouts, and even instant translations. It's all just a click away. Try it now at Slides AI, a Google Slides plugin.